put 2 cups of water in there and make sure you stir it up so they're not sticking while they're wet. And make sure that they're all filled by the water. And then let's see here. You put this on top of here and just put your hand in the middle there and they'd be alright. And then you lift this up and you put it in the microwave. Sure the lid's on. And if you don't have this little microwave cozy, just be careful when you're bringing it out of the microwave, because if you're not, it might burn your hands. Okay, you strain it with the red strainer. You just tip it over, or you can take the strainer off and put it in the sink and just put the noodles through. It doesn't really matter. But I would recommend cleaning your strainer right after you get done doing that, and then stir your noodles, your plain noodles, so they're not stuck together. Then you'll need to put your sauce in. If you have a box of macaroni and cheese, you could just go by the directions. It'll fit a whole box of macaroni and cheese with the powder and the milk and the butter. You'll just put that in there and make it yourself, or however you can use heavy cream or whatever too. Then you'll just mix this up and you'll be ready to eat it.